Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your business to Google Maps. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to add your business on Google Maps, then the first thing to do is to tap Open Google Maps application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your Google account. From the main homepage of Google Maps, find the location and drop a pin on that area where your business exists. Now, tap on the pop-up at the bottom of this page and this will open up this kind of an interface. Tap on Add Your Business to Maps for free option from this page at the bottom and open it up with the web browser. Now, as soon as you see this kind of an interface, choose your Google account from the options displayed and tap it on. Enter your Google account's password on the next page and tap the next button. If you've enabled the two-step verification on your Google account, then you'll need to go through this step. Tap on the send button at the bottom right-hand corner in order to receive a verification code on your mobile number that you've registered on your Google account. Type in your code that you receive in the text box and tap next. Now, you'll need to type in your business name on the next page. Once you type in your name, tap on Add Your Business to Google and fill in the rest of the information in order to create a business profile for yourself. Type in the name of the business and its category and tap the next button from this page. Add a location so that your customers can visit your store easily, since the location will show up on Google Maps. Click the Yes button in order to add a location and tap Next. Enter the address for your profile. Select your country from the drop-down and enter the address name. Type in all of the information needed and tap the Next button. Now, drag the pin so that you can locate yourself. Position the marker on the exact spot where your business is located and tap Next. Provide further information needed. Type in your contact information on the next page. If you've got a current website URL, you can type it in the next text box over here. You can also skip this step for now and do this later on by tapping on skip. Now, choose a way to verify yourself that this particular business belongs to you, and after verifying, tap on the continue button. Add opening hours for your business by selecting the days when you are opened or closed and tap the next button at the bottom right. Finally, after providing all of the necessary information, tap on the continue button at the bottom right, and that way you'll be able to add your business to Google Maps. Remember that your business is only eligible to show on Google after you verify your business profile. Once you do that, you'll be able to add your business on Google Maps. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.